Hey, what's going on guys? Vicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $800 every single day. Okay, so basically guys, this is high ticket affiliate marketing, and before I show you, let me show you the results that me and other people are getting with this system. Okay, so here is a person by the name of Mary. As you can see here, she got $800 commission. Okay, and here is another person by the name of Tammy. As you can see here, boom, $1,600 today. So this person, she got $1,600 in commission today. Okay, and this is me. I got $800 commission today, and I got $1,600 commission yesterday. Okay, that was two sales of $800 each. So that's total about $2,400 in 2 days. Okay, so basically guys, this system, as you can see here, this is called Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, and it's an high ticket affiliate marketing system. Okay, and in this system there are three levels. The one is bronze level, okay, and the second is gold level, and the third is platinum level. So if you talk about the startup cost, at the bronze level the startup cost is $200 and $97 is the admin fee. Similarly, on the gold level the startup cost is $400 and $97 is the admin fee, and at the platinum level $800 is the fee and $197 is the admin fee. So that's total about $1,000. Okay, and it pays about 100% commissions. So all these $800 commission that you're seeing, we are making these 100% commission of 800 because we are at platinum level. Okay, and a cool thing about this system which I like is, if I scroll down here, as you can see, call our support team, right? So basically guys, they have a callback team, which means that they have call center that closes the sales for you. Okay, you don't have to talk or chat with anyone. It's a completely automated system. You just gotta send traffic, and the system, the call center, will call and close the sales for you. Okay, and guys, what I would recommend you is go ahead with the platinum level. It's just one time payment. Okay, no monthly fee, and that's what you're gonna do. Okay, step one is join Digital Wealth Pro at platinum level, because if you join at platinum level, that's how you're gonna make this $800 commission, this $1,600 commission. Okay, and that's how I'm gonna give you the bonus traffic. Okay, the bonus traffic is, once you have joined Digital Wealth Pro at platinum level, step two is message me on Facebook. Okay, give me your affiliate link, and what I'll do is I will order 100 clicks. Okay, 100 clicks to your affiliate link, to Digital Wealth Pro affiliate link, to give you a head start on this system. Okay, so guys, if you want to make those big $800 commission, okay, without talking to anyone, completely automated. Okay, so follow these two steps, join at platinum level and then message me, and then you will be able to get this system going. Okay, so go ahead, follow these two steps and see you inside.